Bitcoin trades above $29,000, Ether trades below $2,000. Trump drops second series of digital trading card collection. El Salvador approves AI business tax cuts. Safemoon hacker strikes deal with developers to return $7.1 million. Binance drops free NFTs to celebrate Brazilian soccer league kickoff. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Private virtual currencies or VDM markets nosedive on Wednesday as investors remain cautious due to ongoing regulatory concerns amid upcoming announcements regarding the monetary policy decision in the US. Bitcoin dropped below $28,500 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.5% at 39,500 points. An interesting trend is emerging these days. Institutional investors have been showing renewed interest in cryptocurrency products as total inflows accounted for $114 million in the past week. Notably, the United States and Germany led the race with contributing $58 million and $35 million respectively. In other important news, an unusually high March inflation rate of more than 10% in the United Kingdom is expected to influence overall market sentiment, analysts believe. More than $25 million in Bitcoin futures were liquidated, of which longs or bets on rising prices made 98% of the positions. According to a recent report, the Bank of England and the Bank for International Settlements have successfully settled synchronized transactions in central bank money using distributed ledger technology. DLT systems help keep the records and verify crypto transactions. They have inspired innovation in traditional finance, analysts believe. While talking about the MENA region, the Securities and Commodities Authority, which regulates the UAE's financial markets, said this week that it has begun accepting license applications for cryptocurrency services. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading around $1.22 trillion, decreasing 3.7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume increased by 28% to stand at $57 billion. As per the latest daily return chart of alternative cryptocurrencies, which are known as altcoins in Bitcoin terms, is seen moving back to February 2021 level, suggesting the start of fall season, and as such, these coins will outperform Bitcoin. On April 17, the Bank of England Deputy Governor spoke about the evolution of tokenization at the Innovative Finance Global Summit in London. The UK Central Bank is now investigating tokenization of bank money, non-bank money and central bank money, as well as how tokenized assets will interact. The US dollar witnessed solid gains, with the US dollar index above 102 after bouncing from its lowest levels in a year. Stock futures ticked downward as traders weighed the latest round of earnings. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 118 points or 0.35%, while S&P 500 futures slipped 0.42%. Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.56%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,310, up 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 6%, trading at $1,978. Almost 1 week after Ethereum's Chapella upgrade, which effectively enabled the withdrawal of staked Ether for the first time, deposits have begun to surpass withdrawals, and the rate at which Ether is burned has significantly accelerated. According to data from Token.Unlocks, approximately 91,500 ETH was deposited and 64,830 ETH was withdrawn, creating a positive net staking balance of roughly 26,680 ETH worth $53 million. On my left, BNB was down by 5% to trade at $327. Solana Sol was down 7.8% and was trading at $23.2. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 5.7% to trade at $0.41. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $19.5, lower 8.7%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading up by 5.5% to trade at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5% at $0.088. Shiba Inu was trading down by 5.6%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, down by 4.4%. And Polkadot was down by 6.5% to trade at $6.4.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. Despite his recent indictment, Donald Trump isn't slowing down with his Web3 ambitions. The former US president announced Tuesday the release of a Series 2 of his NFT collection, Trump Digital Trading Cards. Trump shared the news on his social network Truth Social, telling followers that after great success, he's expanding the collection with a second mint that's now available to collectors. While the tokens will be minted on the Polygon blockchain and remain at their original mint price of $99, the art, rarity traits, and utility features will differ from the first collection. For starters, Series 2 includes 47,000 non-fungible tokens, 2,000 more than the first series. That could be a nod to his ambition to return to the White House as the 47th president. El Salvador's ruling party lawmakers approved late Tuesday a bill to eliminate for 15 years taxes on companies developing artificial intelligence and other computer programming work in a bid to make the country a more attractive tech destination. The tech tax cut was championed by President Nayib Bukele, who first touted the legislation late last month. Bukele's New Ideas party dominates the country's Congress. The bill exempts eligible companies from income tax, capital gains, and local government taxes, as well as tariff payments on imported goods that technology businesses need. Lawmakers approved it with 69 voting in favor among the 84-member unicameral legislature. The new tax incentives for the nascent tech sector are only the latest efforts by Bukele and his allies to rebrand the Central American country as an emerging hub for innovation. In 2021, El Salvador made waves as the first nation to adopt the cryptocurrency Bitcoin as legal tender alongside the US dollar. A hacker who exploited decentralized finance protocol Safemoon has agreed to return 80% of the stolen funds valued at $7.1 million, according to on-chain data posted by pseudonymous Twitter user Safemoon Spidey. The exploit occurred last month when a hacker drained Safemoon's liquidity pool of nearly $9 million worth of SFM tokens after manipulating a flaw in the smart contracts. Safemoon developers updated the community in on-chain transactions that can be viewed on the Binance Smart Chain Block Explorer. The two parties agreed on a 20% bug bounty to be awarded to the hacker. Safemoon developers also confirmed that no charges will be filed against the hacker. Safemoon's SFM token has risen by 2.8% over the past 24 hours. The crypto heavyweight Binance scored a long-term deal with the Brazilian Football Confederation in the wake of the new season of Campeonato Brasileiro Series A. To commemorate the new partnership, the Brasileiro Asa website is giving out free NFTs. To nab the free season pass, NFT users must register on the dedicated Brasileiro Asa website and get the code. Secondly, the NFT enthusiast must access the landing page on Binance and link the code to a Binance account once registered or logged in. The new partnership also includes the Brasileiro Asa Fanverse, which will serve as a social hub for Brazilian soccer fans. The fan metaverse is set to unlock various bi-dimensional rewards like team meets and greets, priority seats in the stadium, and exclusive NFT drops. Following the news, the Brazil national football team fan token barely moved, even though BFT scored 10% profits in the last 14 days. However, the new partnership with Binance Fan Token might encourage the top Brazilian clubs to mint their own tokens. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
The price of Space IT token has increased by nearly 120% in the last 7 days. Many investors and market observers were taken aback by the sudden increase in value, and LookOnChain, a blockchain data analytics firm, has investigated the transactions behind this movement. LookOnChain discovered that the addresses of Space ID and DWF Labs may be involved in driving up the price of ID, according to their report. DWF Labs in particular may be acting as a token market maker. Following the token's launch on March 22nd, DWF Labs transferred 5 million ID to various exchanges including Binance, Gate, Bybit, BitGet, KuCoin and MEXC. On April 14, DWF Labs received 7.4 million ID from Binance, coinciding with a 30% increase in the price of ID. Meanwhile, Space ID received 20 million ID from Binance on March 30 and April 1 when the token was trading at around $0.48. Space ID was trading at $0.9, down 5.66% in the last 24 hours. However, it was trading 104.84% in the last 7 days with a market capitalization of $2 million. Redx has increased 40% in the last 24 hours after massive buying pressure pushed it past the psychological $0.10 mark early Tuesday. Redx is outperforming the top coins on the daily, weekly and monthly charts even as Bitcoin approaches $30,000 and Ethereum breaks through $2,100. XRD tokens have seen a 155% increase in daily trading volume in the last 24 hours, owing to the cryptocurrency's recent surge in market activity. The price increases have propelled XRD into the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Redx has seen renewed bullish momentum as the cryptocurrency market teeters on the verge of a new bull market. However, most of the buying pressure for XRD is down to the hype around its upcoming developments. XRD was trading at $0.13, up 141.38% in the last 7 days and 13.85% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion. On Wednesday, the Zilliqa price reached its highest level since February 23rd as investors awaited the upcoming EVM launch. ZIL reached a high of $0.036, which was approximately 68% higher than the year-to-date low. As a result, it is one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies in the market. Altcoins such as AllSignals, Internet Computer and Oasis Network are also performing well. The next significant Zilliqa announcement will be the launch of its EVM implementation on mainnet on April 25th of this year. The 4-8 chart shows that the ZIL price has been on an unstoppable bull run in recent weeks. During this rally, it has risen from a year-to-date low of $0.021 to a high of $0.036. It has managed to move above key psychological levels. Zilliqa has moved above all moving averages while oscillators are pointing upwards. Therefore, there is a likelihood that the coin will continue surging as buyers target the next key resistance point at $0.037, the highest point in April this year. Zilliqa was trading at $0.035, up 8.94% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 million.
Thank you, Vishaka. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV and have a great day.